In this video, I'm going to show you how you can renew your DDSSY Health Card online from your mobile. So first of all, to renew the card, open your web browser. In Google, type Goa Online, hit on enter. So from the results displayed, click on the goaonline.gov.in, which is the official website. So you will be getting interface like this. Close this pop-up. From here, tap on the menu and tap on the login button. Here you can create a new account. If you already have an account, log in into your existing account. But make sure the user which is logging in should be a member of the DDSSY Health Card, or else he won't be able to renew. So any member from DDSSY Health Card can renew it online. So log in into your account by entering the email address and password. Solve this captcha code and tap on the login button. So once you are logged in, you will get interface like this. Tap on the menu, tap on services and select all services. Display all the services available on Goa Online portal. Scroll down the page and under Directorate of Health Services section, tap on Deen Dayal, Swasthya, Seva, Yojana, DDSSY Renewal. If you are not able to see over here the option, tap on more and it will show you the DDSSY Health Card Renewal. Tap on the DDSSY Health Card Renewal. Over here a banner will be displayed. Policy period 1st April 2026 to 21st March 2027. Renewal is in process. Scroll down the page. Tap on the proceed to renew. Here you need to enter your DDSSY Health Card number and the registered mobile number. Enter both these details. If you don't know the DDSSY Health Card number, please refer your DDSSY Health Card to know your DDSSY Health Card number. So enter your health card number. Once you enter the health card number, enter the registered mobile number. Once these details are entered, tap on the search button. So a pop-up will appear saying card number so and so will be renewed for policy period 1st April 2026 to 31st March 2027. Click OK to renew. So over here you will get two options under service type: pay and renew DDSSY Health Card, or update, add member details and submit renewal. If you wish to update your health card or add a new member, you can select this second option. So here I only want to renew the card, so I will select pay and renew DDSSY Health Card. So select the pay and renew DDSSY Health Card. Instantly tap on the generate OTP button. You will receive one-time password on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP code received on your phone and tap on validate OTP. So this will display your DDSSY Health Card details such as your card number, mobile number, health cover, last active policy period and the eligible person, total number of members, and the details about the family members will also be displayed. Then below you will also find the address details registered in your health card. So below you will be able to see renewal fees will be displayed, which is rupees 200, and below note will appear this policy will renew your card for 1st April 26 to 31st March 27. Tap on proceed to payment and tap on the OK button to verify. So over your payment request confirmation will be displayed, which will display your acknowledgement number, application ID, party name, payment towards, and the amount payable and the pay details. Tap on the proceed to pay 200 and again tap on the OK button. Here now you will need to make an online payment using debit, credit card or UPI payment option as per your preference, and it will redirect to the payment gateway page. It may take few seconds to complete the process. So over here you will need to select the payment mode from credit card, debit card, net banking or UPI. So pay by any UPI app. So once making the payment, the site will be redirected to the payment successful page. So here you can see a message: your DDSSY card is renewed successfully. You can download the payment receipt by tapping on the payment receipt link, and this will download the payment receipt for your DDSSY Health Card renewal. So you can see the file has been downloaded in PDF file format. You can open it. It will be stored in your downloads folder of your device. So the receipt will be look like this, which will contain all the details about your health card and the payment made. So you can store it for your future reference purpose. You may close this pop-up or message and it will redirect you to the Go Online dashboard page. On this page also you can see your application submitted for the renewal under list of all application. Here you can see the success payment message. So from this page also you can see the health card renewal details if you need it in future. Under list of all application, just swipe left and here you will be able to see a arrow icon appearing against your health card renewal. Tap on it and this will display the health card details in depth. So here you will need to provide some feedback as it is asking how you found the interface. Tap on submit and after only you will be able to access the page. Once you submit this feedback, tap on OK. Here you will be able to see your status of your DDSSY Health Card and all the details. So you can see from here also you can download the payment receipt if you require it in future. So this is how you can easily renew your DDSSY Health Card online from your mobile itself. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.